Hey there, I'm Nina, lead scientist here at Nano Magic. We develop nanotech-powered solutions that clean and protect your most important surfaces. And we're also super obsessed with really tiny things. Isn't that right, Brandon? Nano means really, really small. Even tinier.
Little known fact, the word nano comes from the ancient Greek word for gnome.
That's cute. Nanoparticles are about 100,000 times smaller than a human hair.
Ow.
Stay with me. See that windshield? And these glasses I'm wearing? How about this smartphone? Yeah, they're all made with glass that seems smooth to the touch, but when magnified a gazillion times, you'll see that glass and other hard surfaces have more cracks and crevices than Michigan roads. As you can see, those other guys can't fit into those tiny nooks and crannies to effectively clean and protect your surfaces. But our tiny nanoparticles fit into those nano-sized spaces to deep clean and protect. Good thing our balls are smaller, right, Brandon? And here's the coolest part. Our nanoparticles form stronger bonds to repel things like rain, fingerprints, and even bird shit. That's right, our Detroit-made nanotech-powered solutions are 10 times better. And if that's not enough, we're so confident in our products that for every ounce you buy, we donate a portion of proceeds to causes we believe in. And as for things we don't believe in, what's this shit, Patrick? Well, how do we know the science works? That's easy. We just leave that to people that are way smarter than us scientists. People on the internet. Here we have Rick from Seattle, Washington, engaged in a textbook A/B test between our force field windshield protection kit and some crap he got from his ex.
I know the drip.